Hey everyone, today I have a challenge lock from Hiryuu. There's the mummified Yale key that I haven't opened yet. I'm going to use a 50,000 pry bar and float pick it with the bottom of the keyway tension also. Let's see if we can get it open. Little click out of 3. Sharp click out of 5. Click out of 4, maybe some movement on the core. Ooh, big false set. I got a little feedback out of 6 and then it went into a false set. Number 2 is binding. Back to the false set. 3 is binding. Very deep false set. Deeper false set than I was in before. Maybe it's number 1. I'm manual counter rotating. Trying to get number 1 to move. It doesn't want to move. Maybe I'll leave that one alone. Oop, there we go. Number, I think 3 was just not up high enough. And when I tapped it, it gave me another click and then it opened. I'll cut the key open, see what's inside, and then I'll get it gutted. So here's the key. Probably a very low set number 1 pin. Lock it back up. The key works. Sorry. says spare time on the side. Wow. Pin number 1. That was number 3. So 1 is a spooled key pin, 2 is a serrated key pin, 4 just has 1, or 3 just has 1 serration on the key pin. Oops. Number 4 is has an interesting little spool at the top. 5 is a serrated key pin, and 6 is a serrated key pin. There's a counter milling in every chamber, all the way around. One is serrated and serrated spool. 2 is serrated. 3 is a really deep serrated spool. 4 serrated spool. 5 is a serrated spool. And 6 is another interesting looking serrated spool. Oops. Pin 5 and 6 have some different springs in them. I had a hard time getting the spring out. Pins, I don't think I lost anything. It looks like pins 4 and 6 don't have any spring in the chamber. Here's what all the pins look like, all homemade pins. Some interesting serrations and a couple interesting springs in there. Thank you for watching, and great luck.